In the shadows of oppression, when chains bound the spirit of a nation, there arose a force, silent, determined, and fearless. They were ordinary men and women, yet extraordinary in courage. They were the Katipunan, the secret society that dared to dream of a free Philippines. Born from the burning hearts of the Filipinos, the Katipunan was more than a movement. It was a revolution of hope. In whispered vows and secret oaths, they pledged their lives for the motherland, ready to sacrifice everything for freedom. Under the heavy hand of colonial rule, the Filipino people were silenced, their lands and labor exploited, their dignity denied. And yet, in the heart of Manila, Andres Bonifacio scribbled words of liberation, words that would ignite a fire in the hearts of thousands. Through secret codes and hidden symbols, the Katipunan reached far and wide, planting seeds of courage, unity, and resistance. It was a dangerous path. Discovery meant death. But fear could not deter these souls driven by love for their country. The Cry of Pugad Lawin, a moment that would echo through history, marked the beginning of an uncompromising fight. With bolos, rifles, and unyielding spirits, the Katipuneros tore the chains of fear and raised the banner of rebellion. That day, ordinary men became heroes. Their bravery was not in the weapons they wielded, but in the courage to stand against an empire, in the faith that freedom was worth the ultimate sacrifice. Countless lives were lost in the struggle. Brothers fought alongside brothers, mothers prayed for sons, and yet the flame of revolution never died. The Katipunan showed the world that freedom cannot be bought. It must be earned through courage, unity, and unwavering resolve. Through their blood and sacrifice, the path was paved for future generations. Their fight ignited the Philippine Revolution, a battle that would eventually lead to the proclamation of independence in 1898. Today, we walk free on streets their courage built. We speak a language they defended. We dream in a land they fought to claim. The bravery of the Katipunan is not confined to history books. It lives in every heartbeat of the Filipino soul. Their story is a reminder: freedom is never given. It is fought for, defended, and cherished. And as long as Filipinos remember, the spirit of the Katipunan will never fade. Let us honor the Katipunan, not only for the battles they fought, but for the courage they inspired. For in their bravery, the Philippines found her wings. In their sacrifice, she found her voice. And in their unity, she discovered her destiny, a nation free, proud, and eternal.